We are going to be starting the 5-star chicken concept in Bangalore in December. CP Foods, which is our parent company, we have been in India for the last 20 years. We have, as I said earlier, we have two divisions, aquaculture and the livestock division. One is based in Chennai, the other one is based in Bangalore. CP Foods has 90-year-old, 100-year-old history, and we are the pioneers in chicken feed and chicken farming. So we feel that with 5-star chicken, we can guarantee great taste, great quality, great value for money, and a convenience of easy takeaway food that probably not too many options available at this time in Bangalore. So we are hoping it'll be successful in Bangalore. In India, we have been here 20 years. CP Foods in different formats, CP Group. We have close to $250 to $300 million invested in the country in the last 20 years, and you will see that it's going to keep growing in the next 5 years or so. This is the first concept for foods in India with Bangalore, and we are very excited to make it successful. We will expand it to other regions as well, as I said earlier, and we'll bring in many more other food concepts as well. Well, in the shrimp area, the aquaculture, the shrimp area, we are over 50% market share in that section. In the livestock production, we are still small, but we have a lot of room to grow here. We are one of the top 5 chicken producers in the country, and we think that we can do even better there. So with 5-star chicken, our main target, main consumers that we want for them to try is essentially the 15 to 30-year-old segment. The young boys and girls of India who love eating out, who love the convenience, who want to hang out and eat with the friends and family, and like the convenience with the changing lifestyle. So that's our key target that we have in mind. We are starting out with Bangalore, as I said earlier. The promise of the brand is that it's very tasty. We are bringing in Thai and Oriental flavors in it, as well as some Indian fusion flavors that makes it unique. And we would love everybody else to try it and give us the feedback, and whether you like it or whether you want to see it improve. But we are very sure that you're going to like it. The second one is the quality of the chicken itself. It's coming from our own farms, again with very high quality, so it'll be juicy and fresh, and you'll see the difference again. The third one is the value. Because of the fact that we are controlling every aspect of the supply chain, we're able to pass that benefit to the end consumer. And because our audience is young, we want to make it affordable to them, because they are college students or school students or just young working people. So we don't want to price it too high. We want to give them a very affordable option as compared to the other brands in the market.